Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to math. We are going to be finishing up our Thanksgiving counting book. We're going to do page 9 and 10 and then the last page. And I'm going to show you the same game that I showed you yesterday, just a little bit differently. So let's get started. All right. You're going to get out your Collect 15 together, or just your 10 frame that has one 10 frame. It doesn't matter, either one will work. And then get out your one more, one less. And either, if it's not laminated, make sure you put it in the plastic sleeve. You can have cards with one less than, minus one, or one more than plus one on it. And whoever your partner is can just flip-flop these. Or you could make your own spinner with a paper clip and pencil. I have this that's plus one or minus one, so that's what I'm going to use. So let's get started. Remember, you roll your die. Subitizing quickly, you don't need to count. You know that that is 6, so you put that here. And then you can add 6 to your 10 frame. 3, 4, 5, and 6, some good Halloween things. And then you roll your big die, and it says one less than, one less than. So one less than 6, if you go over to the number line, one less than 6 is 5. So you take one off. Roll again. 5, I'm going to add to it this time. I didn't do that yesterday. There's a number of different ways you can play this. So it already had 5 on it, and I'm going to put 5 more. And I'm going to put a 5 up here on the starting number. Then I'm going to roll again. And it says plus 1. 1 more than 5 is 6. So then I'm going to put 1 more. 1 more than 5 is 6. Always refer to that number line as your resource. Here's another 5. Boys and girls, look here. So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And roll again. Or, excuse me, one more. Let's roll this one. 1 more than 5 is 6. So what that makes over here is the total 10 and 7 make 17. All right, so you roll the die. 1. One less than 1 is 0. So I don't add any of these. See, you can play a little bit differently. 3, look there. 1, 2, 3. That's 20. 1 more than 3 is 4. Okay, so you can play it that way. Now, one thing I'd like for you to do today that you didn't do yesterday is each one of you and your partner, take your numbers on one side and you can put them in order. So for example, there is a 6, a 5, a 5, a 1, and a 3. The 1 is the smallest number, and then the 3, and then the 5s, and then the 6. So you're putting them in order from smallest to biggest, like that. Those are skills for your number book. Okay. Boys and girls, let me share my screen. And we will finish up our booklet. We should be on this page. Let's count our turkeys. Yesterday, we got all the way to 8. So 1 more than 8 would be what? If you said 9, you're correct. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now that's one way I counted. I used my eyes that way. There's another way I could count from top to bottom, left to right. Let's count this way and see if we get the same amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then you take this and you put it up there, and then you put this page in your journal as well. And you write, I see 9 turkeys, and you illustrate or draw 9 turkeys. Then you have this page. 1 more than 9 is 10. So I see 10 turkeys. You can count them in a short fashion because this is a turkey 10 frame right here. So you can go 5, 10, or you know that that looks like 10. So you can kind of lickety split really fast, just say 10, or you can say 5, 10, or you could even count by twos and say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Even if you know this amount, practice those strategies with somebody else in the room with you. I see 10 turkeys. So you'll write that sentence and illustrate your 10 turkeys. And your Thanksgiving counting book will be complete. I can't wait to see those, and maybe we'll read them together. Bye-bye.